I'm going to show you just how easy it is to take a picture with a spec finder. Let's blur it down a little bit, put it out of whack so that, let's say you just took it out of the box. The first thing you want to do is understand that with your lens you have three basic adjustments. There's aperture control, which is basically light through the lens. There's magnification, which makes the picture bigger and smaller. And there's fine focus. So you want to put the fine focus right in the middle of its range. You want to put the magnification at its lowest level so you can kind of see where you are. And then adjust the aperture so that you have the right amount of light. And then take your boom focus to optimize your fine focus capability. So let's say I want to take a picture. The very first thing that I would do is locate the item that I want to take a picture of. Let's say it's that component, that particular component. I set it for the proper magnification, focus it in, and then I click on the blue camera icon. And if you look down here on your toolbar, you can see that you're in the still camera mode. And I just click on the yellow button capture, and I've now taken a photo of the component. The next thing I'd like to show is how easy it is to take a video. So you'll click on the film icon, and if you look down here on the toolbar, you'll see the film icon is there. And now you hit the yellow capture button. Let's say I want to rotate it around, magnify in on the leg of that IC, focus, and freeze. And we can go and play back that video. This is a good way to explain a situation to a supplier. You can put that video up on a cloud service, or you can attach it to an email. Or you can actually go on to a GoToMeeting.com and show live video. A lot of times that quality is dependent upon the internet quality of the person on the other end, but it still is possible. Next thing I'd like to show you is the SpecFinder Premier software. So I'm going to start with the basic functions. First is the contrast button. That allows the user to control the basic camera the digital camera functions: gamma, brightness, contrast. There's an edge enhancement feature. When I click on strong, you'll get that extra detail on your images. You can control color parameters, white balance, RGB gains for different color settings. There's a digital zoom capability. It does just that. That's 4 times digital magnification. There are measurement capabilities. There are lines with guides, circles with guides, 2-point lines, 3-point circles. I'm going to show you just a couple. Line with guides, 3-point angle. There are drawing features, rectangles, ovals, and the only thing I wanted to show on this was that if you make a mistake, you don't have to erase everything you've just done. You can undo the very last item. And that's a nice feature if you're doing a lot of drawing. There are 16 levels of annotation, which are nice. One being a time and date stamp. You can move that to any location. You can also set it up in any color or any font size. There's an overlay feature. You can overlay reticles. You can call up a specific image and overlay it on top of a live image. And one of the features I want to show today is the split screen feature. So you can see that I have a live image on the right and the still split screen that I've pulled up. I can move the system. I can rotate the image. And I can expand the image. And of course, on the right, you have the live image. So I'm going to turn the overlays off and show a couple other features. It has 16 levels of calibration, and this is really a valuable feature of the SpecFinder Premier software, especially when using a variable zoom lens and doing measurements. So you can set up different levels of calibration for each magnification level. The problem with a variable zoom lens is every time you change magnification, you then have to recalibrate. So having 16 levels of pre-calibrated settings can make your measurements go so much easier.